The big story of a small man. Jadhav Molai Paeng is a highly capable person born in a nomadic tribe of Assam. Born in 1963, he is working as a forest worker since the age of 16 years. Once, large number of snakes died in the flood of Brahmaputra river flowing by the village. As a preventive measure, Molai planted 20 bamboo plantlets. In 1979, the local social forestry department began a social afforestation project on 200 acres of land. Molai was one of the few forest workers who were looking after that project. Molai continued to plant the trees even after completion of the project. As a result of his continuous work of planting and caring for the trees, the barren area witnessed the forest cover over the 1360 acres. Today, this jungle in Kokilamukh of Jorhat district of Assam is the result of the hard work for 30 years. He has been awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri Award by the Government of India for this unparalleled work. Now it is well known as Molai Jungle. Many people come together to destroy the forest, but a single person, if determined, can establish a new forest. Environmental conservation and biodiversity. Most harmful effect of the environmental pollution occurs on the living organisms. Have you seen some examples of this in your area? Our living world had been richly diverse. It consisted of varieties of plants and animals. However, we are not able to see some specific animals about which we had listened from our earlier generations. Who is responsible for this? Biodiversity is the richness of living organisms in nature due to presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystems, and genetic variations within a species. Biodiversity occurs at three different levels. Genetic diversity. Occurrence of diversity among the organisms of same species is genetic diversity. Example: each human being is different from other. Possibility of wiping out the species arises if there is decrease in the diversity within the species whose members involve in sexual reproduction. Species diversity. Innumerable species of organisms occur in the nature. This is called as species diversity. Species diversity includes various types of plants, animals, and microbes. Ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through the interaction between plants, animals, their habitat, and changes in the environment. Each ecosystem has its own characteristic animals, plants, microbes, and abiotic factors. Ecosystems are also of two types: natural and artificial. There should be a positive attitude of human being towards the environment for welfare of entire living world. For this purpose, following roles are important. You can be a conservator, organizer, guide, plant friend, etc. Describe about the role you wish to perform and your plans for that role.